in the set of the J+ booster, there is a wall bracket included. It's military-grade aluminum and it's really robust. And of course, screws and anchors are included as well. So let's mount it on the wall. The only thing you need for that is a drill. Step 1, identify a solid surface, such as a concrete wall, or we have a wooden wall here. Position the wall bracket close enough to the socket. Step 2, drill the holes and insert the anchors if you have a concrete wall. With a wooden wall, I can simply screw in the screws. Pro tip, using the slots you can make some final adjustments to the wall mount. Alright, and step number 3, insert the portable charger, just like that from the side. Plug in the socket, and the vehicle's end plug comes on this side, and that's how you do it. As you can see, it's really suitable for both residential garages and commercial settings. You can take it really easily out of the wall mount whenever you want and hit it back on the road.